Howdy, welcome back to London Creative, and I'm Nick. And a couple of weeks back you saw me try to paint a painting based on this. As you can tell, I haven't moved. I literally filmed the outro and just started again because I want to do a painting based on this album by LeSserafim called Unforgiven. I did the last album and I ended up a painting that was quite cool and it resembled the album cover, and I wanted to do it with this. And what I end up with doesn't look anything like it. So I've just got all the paint back out and I've started again. And so we are here. I've just mixed up some brown to add into there. And I'm just going to do a small version rather than a big massive thing and try and get it right this time. Let's get on. Yep. Putting this away before I do Here we go. Going with silver first. Then the gold. Magenta. Unsure. Let's try again. This time's going to work. Okay, we'll try again. Now we're going to go silver, brown, gold, red, and to cover the corner in red. Then brown. Then gold. Hooray! We have success. I think we finally got there. A lot smaller than the original, but we got there in the end. It took, what, 3 first paintings and then this one done twice. Yes, this one poured and then wiped off and then started again. Real example of if it's not working, give up and try again. And yeah, as I say, it's still a little bit damp, but I'm happy with this. I think this resembles the album cover. What do you think? Is that Unforgiven? It's not whether her name is Bluebeard's wife or whatever, but I can see a horse's head, a demon horse head down there. It's a mark of a good painting is if I can see a demon or a devil or some sort of alien-y creature. I can see a horse. So, if this was entertaining and we got there in the end and you like this, then please give this a thumbs up, and then it tells the algorithm that this was worth watching and somebody else might watch it and somebody else might stumble across this channel who never knew that I do making stuff, breaking stuff, burning stuff, poisoning myself, who knows what else. And if you want to leave me comments, please do so. Tell me colours to try, different album covers to try. That would be a good one to do. Give me other album covers as inspiration. Other K-pop albums, preferably. And if you're not already, and you want to see more FlowArt, but also more making stuff, breaking stuff, burning stuff, setting fire to things, cutting my hand off, burning myself. Who knows what else? Poisoning myself, did that as well. And yeah, if you want to see all that, then you should come back to 2, and the best way to do that is hit subscribe down there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.